Welcome back to another video. I just spent hours watching this committee meeting on the land development beside and around the Freedom Factory. Some very good points were raised, some very good points were not raised. However, the long and short is it was an L. The whole team, the whole fan base, myself included, took an L today. It was very apparent that every member there wanted to make sure that they told us at home and everybody there that they want to save the racetrack. And I felt like it wasn't that they sincerely care, and they all tried to give a story about, the time I heard the cars or the time I went as a kid, and that's cool, maybe they did, maybe they didn't, but they're trying to make face because they know, and I'm sure they got wind, that this racetrack is owned by a YouTuber with a very large following that is very passionate, as we are. Here I am making another video about something I have no stake in. However, it has been a huge part of my emotional recovery over the last couple of years with some of my mental health stuff I've been dealing with and some of my life stuff I've been dealing with. So I'm emotionally invested in this project that the Cletus and crew have on the go down in Florida, and I'm in Canada. So they tried to make face, they tried to make sure that they're not going to get attacked, just berated, anything like that. The girl for the applicant, she's just doing her job, but she is now a meme amongst hundreds of thousands of people, which I'm sure just makes her feel real good about herself. So we did take a loss. They heard everything, said they understand and are fully in support of everything, but then when it came to voting, their voting said the polar opposite. Is what it is. I never actually expected to be successful. There's just too much money. There's billions of dollars going in here, and nothing is going to stop that. That's just the long and short of it. So they want the Cletus team and the property development team to get together and come to some sort of a compromise. Cletus doesn't really have a choice. He's kind of in a position of do this or get nothing. So he's, I'm sure, going to talk with everybody. Garrett's a smart dude. He's surrounded by smart people. I'm sure he will make the best decision at the time. From my perspective, all the way up here in Canadiaville, it's like 40 degrees Fahrenheit or so in here. It's 6 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that converts to. It's cold. So take that for what it's worth. He kind of has three options. He can either, A, try to work out a buyout where they buy out and he relocates to another location. Personally, I think it would be hilarious because he can literally just say, hey, that's cool, we've heard you, we're shutting the track down. He got the track as a shutdown track. He could sell it and just move on. And he has so much influence and there's so much value that he's built up in this establishment that, and us, we would crowdfund. I would donate money to building a new Freedom Factory somewhere else. And just move and just say you didn't listen. And rather than get, because these developments take years. This is not going to be like fall of 2023 and they're getting shut down from noise complaints, because it takes a long time to do all the infrastructure and landscaping and pour the foundations and build the houses. So it's years. So rather than wait years and hope for the best and hope that these little, FYIs to the homeowners that cars make noises exists, they're putting noise cameras out for modified vehicles around towns and cities now. So this is just going to be an example of another process happening. And unfortunately, I would hope that his following and us doing our thing and the 15,000 people in the live chat would have been more of an influence, but we weren't. So sell it and move, or convert all the racing to Teslas. If you don't make noise, you technically can't get noise complaints in violation. Or option number 3, he can just flat out wait, see, hope that the plans come back, and maybe they put, as mentioned at the end of the hearing, some shopping or hotels or lodgings of some sort, something around the track to encourage the track and separate the space from the noise. Just to wrap it up, I really appreciated Garrett's speech. I really appreciated at the end where he wanted to leave the track to his son, but Unfortunately, with all the Karens in the world, this might just not be possible. And as a community, we can support him. He can relocate. He can rebuild. Bigger, better, from scratch if he wants. I know it sucks, and Bradenton Motorsports Park's there, but I don't know. I don't know what the right answer is, and I don't know how to support him in being successful in what he's doing, because they are not just a normal track. They are a YouTube channel who creates content Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, and then they're a racetrack that is a business on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the track is a 24/7 operation with almost unlimited potential because of the business skills that Garrett has, and he's implementing around the facility. So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed, but overall, I'm very disappointed in the Manatee County Council, and I am here to support Cletus McFarland, Garrett Mitchell, and the rest of the team. I do want to say thank you to all of them for all of the incredible work they do, and just giving me something to strive for, look forward to, and giving me yet another outlet during some unsettling times in history. Till next time, drive safe, take care, behave, as always.